Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to share your Amazon Prime membership with family so they can enjoy free shipping, Prime Video, and more at no extra cost. First, go to amazon.com and sign in to your account. Hover over Account and List in the top right corner and click your account. Look for your Amazon family. This is where you can add family members. Click Add, then choose whether you want to add an adult or a child. Adults can share shopping and payment benefits, while kids get access to age-appropriate content. Next, enter their name and email address. Then click Create. Select which Prime benefits you'd like to share, such as free shipping, Prime Video, or Prime Reading. Finally, hit Send Invitation. Your family member will get an email invite, and once they accept, they can start enjoying Prime benefits right away. And that's it. That's how to share Amazon Prime with family. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.